Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav sir's classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076. If you have any other mathematical query, doubts or anything, so please feel free to drop an email to our email ID through our email ID, which is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. Okay. Then you can join our regular batches, one-on-one sessions, our online classes, so that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like ISI, CMI, TIFR, PUMDET also. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Okay. So now we are going to solve a mathematical problem which is appeared in the 2024 of the PUMDET, and the question is telling us that for the function fz is equals to z sine 1 by z minus 1, the point z is equals to 1 is, so there are four options here, which is telling us an essential singularity and a pole of order 1, a removable singularity and a non-singular point. Okay. So now what can be done here? So we need to analyze the nature of the singularity at z equals to 1 for the function which is given as equals to sine 1 by minus 1. Okay. So now we are going to identify the type of the singularity at z equals to 1. So the function involves here, which is my sine 1 by z minus 1, which has a singularity at z is equals to 1. To classify this singularity, we expand sine x in its power series. That means our sine x is what? Sine x is equals to summation n equals to 0 to infinity, that will be minus 1 to the power n by 2n plus 1 factorial. Then it will be into x to the power 2n plus 1. So now if we substitute the value at our x is equals to 1 by z minus 1, then we will get sine of 1 by minus 1, that will be equals to n is equals to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power n by 2n plus 1 factorial. So that will be 1 by a 1 to the power 2n plus 1. Okay, so the function now will be z, the function will be fz, which is a sine 1 by minus 1, that is equals to summation of our from our n is equals to 0 up to infinity, so that will be minus 1 to the power n by 2n plus 1 factorial into 1 by 1 to the power 2n plus 1, and our z will come out, and our yeah. So after that, what can be done here? So now my that is equals to fz, we know that. Yeah. So now we are going to find the nature of the singularity. Okay, so the series contains terms of the form which is this for infinitely many values of k. So meaning the singularity at z is equals to 1 is not removable or a pole, since a pole requires only finitely many negative powers in the Lorentz series. Okay, so instead it is an essential singularity. So conclusion, since our z is equals to 1 is an essential singularity, so the correct answer will be my option A, which is telling us that the point z is equals to 1 should be an essential singularity. Okay, hope you understood, guys. Again, I am telling that if you need any help from us, or if you have any mathematical query, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact us. Then our team can arrange a doubt clearing session for you. After that, you can join us as a student. Then you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav's classes. Okay, thank you, guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.